Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to model this bolt using NX. After modeling this bolt in NX, the model will look like this. This is the bolt. Here I have made a little gap between shank I have given, but in our case we are not going to make any shank here. These are the steps I have followed to create this bolt. Now we'll learn step by step to create this bolt. File, new. Our units are in mm, so make sure you are in a millimeter. Model, provide the file name and location. Just say OK. Now first we need to create hexagonal head. Just go to the sketch here. I'm just keeping the model here, sketch here, and I'm just keeping the software in the right side to sketch model in the left side to see the dimensions parallelly. First we'll start with the head. Go to the sketch, taking the front plane, just say OK. First what we want to do, we need to make a hexagonal head. For that, just go to the menu, insert, curve. Previously we have taken ellipse. Now we are going to take polygon. Here you can see polygon. So just take the polygon. Hexa is nothing but 6 spaces. Now just specify the radius. Radius is 19. Rotation is 0. Just specify the location. Now we can make it like this one, we make it 0. And this one we make it 19. Just close it. Now we have created a hexagonal head. This is actually a radius of 19. But they have given the total diameter of 19. For that, just delete this one. Select this point. This one is the 19 they have given. Press the roller. Now we have created the hexagonal head. Now just finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The total extrusion thickness is 12 mm actually. Just provide 12. Just say OK. Now we have created a hexagonal head. Then we'll create this shank. The rod. The total length is 60. Just select this surface. Go to the sketch. Select the sketch. Just say OK. This is the midpoint. If you are not getting properly, just delete this one. Just finish it. Delete this sketch. Now just go to the sketch again. Just rotate it. Which point is closer, that point it will take automatically. Just click here, just say OK. Now just go here, entire assembly. Now just take the circle. Make sure you are in the entire assembly, just this point, and provide it. And the diameter is 12 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Just extrude the sketch. With a length of 60 mm. Just say OK. Now we have created this much. Then we just want to do the remove material. First we'll make a round here. The sharp corner has to be chambered. So for that, just go to the sketch again. Take the plane which is parallel edges. These parallel edges. For that edges, we just want to take a plane. This one which you take it, just say OK. Orient to the sketch. Now take a line from here, from here, from here and close the sketch. Now just specify the value. I just specifying into 1.5. Press the enter. And this also I'm just making into 1.5. Press enter. This is 45 degree. Then just go to the finish sketch. Here you can see I have created a sketch. This sketch I'm going to revolve it. Just go to the revolve. Select the vector of this one. This vector. Here you can see 360 degree. Automatically it is taken. Subtract. Just OK. Now I have created revolve at the top space. The same has to be done at the bottom also. For that we can do the mirror feature. Go to the mirror feature. Select this revolve 7. Here existing plane we can take it. This is the plane. Just say apply it. Now we have done a round in the both side. Now we will go for the making thread. So the dimension of the thread they have given is M12 is a standard thread with a pitch of 1.75 and the length of 60. The total length is 60 only. Now just go to the thread. Go to the menu, insert, design feature. Here there is an option called thread. Just click it here. It is asking to select the face. Cylindrical face. This is the cylindrical face. And how much length we want to make a thread. It is automatically taken at M12 1.75. Here also be M12 1.75. So only one is there. So it's a metric course. If you want to make fine, you can make it fine. So metric course. Total length to make is 60 mm. Just here there are different options, symbolic thread and detailed thread. If you go for a symbolic thread, you cannot see the thread like this. Only symbolic, this dotted line only you can see it. If you want to go for a detailed thread, then only you can see the thread like this. Just apply, OK it. Now we got a thread like this. But while making a thread in the material, you cannot see like this. So to remove this one, just go for the, now we have created the thread, complete thread we have made. The small thing is here we just want to make a cut. For that go to the sketch, select the surface, just say OK. This one we need to make it. So just go to the insert, here curve. There is an option called project. Yes. So project curve, you just take the associate curve, project curve. Take this project curve, take this line, take this line, take this line, just OK. Take a line, just connect with it. Go to the trim, trim this edge. Take a line, then orient to the sketch, then finally make a project this line also from here to The solid indicates that the sketch is closed. Finish sketch. Just extrude the sketch. Let's go to the extrude. Reverse the direction. Just 15. Just say OK. Now this way the thread will finish. So this extrude we have to do manually. So this is very close to that, that's why there is small damage here, surface damage. So this way we can make a thread. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. For next tutorial, we'll come up with a new component. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.